Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing well, right? Okay. So, what we learned in the previous class? What we learned in the previous class is very good. We learned Vinati lesson, prayer lesson, right? Vinati we learned. So, we learned question answers, meanings, opposite, sentence making. This all we learned in the previous class, right? Today we stepping into the next lesson, Hamara Desh. Okay, so take your Hindi book and listen. Hamara Desh. Okay, let us give some information about Hamara Desh. Hamara Desh means what? Our country. Okay, which is our country? India is our country. So we are going to learn only few things about India today. Okay. So who are born in India? Who are the famous leaders and who are the famous king in India? What are the religions in India? What are the directions in India? So everything we are going to learn today. Okay. Take your Hindi book, take second lesson Hamara Desh and watch the slides. Okay. So first we stepping into Hamara Desh. What is Hamara Desh? Hamara Desh means our country. Hamara Desh, our country. Which is our country? India is our country. India is our country. Hamara Desh. Hamara Desh means our country. Okay, first I read this. हमारा देश का नाम भारत है। राजा भरत के नाम पर इसका नाम भारत पड़ा। भारत एक विशाल देश है। इसकी राजधानी दिल्ली है। यहाँ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, जैन और बौद्ध धर्म के लोग रहते हैं। सब प्रांतों की अलग अलग भाषाएं है। हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा माना गया है। ओके, हमारा देश का नाम भारत है। India. Okay, Bharat means India. Our country. The name of the country is India. Right? That is called Bharat. राजा भरत के नाम पर इसका नाम भारत पड़ा. In that olden days, Maharaj Bharat. Okay, he's a king. He ruled the area. So, this country is called as Bharat. भारत एक विशाल देश का, विशाल मीन्स वेरी बिग। क्या भारत एक विशाल देश का, इट इज अ वेरी बिग कंट्री। इसकी राजधानी दिल्ली है, विच इज अ कैपिटल दिल्ली। दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया। यहाँ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, जैन और बौद्ध धर्म के लोग रहते हैं। In India, what are the religions, you know? Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. These are the religion in India. Say Hindu, you know Hindu. Muslim, Muslims. Sikh, Sikhism people. Isai means Christians. Christian people. Jain means Jainism. Or Bauddha means Buddhism. धर्म के, धर्म मीन्स रिलीजियन के लोग रहते का, लोग इन द सेंस पीपल, रहते मीन्स लिविंग। ओके, दिस आर द रिलीजियस पीपल्स, दोस हु आर लिविंग इन आवर कंट्री। सब प्रांतों की अलग अलग भाषाएं हैं। अलग अलग मीन्स व्हाट? separate. Bhasha in the sense language. So in our country there is a separate languages are there. Each state people spoke a different language. Like Tamil, Hindi, Marathi, like Malayalam, like different languages peoples are spoken in India. हिंदी को राष्ट्र भाषा माना जाता है, but Hindi is the राष्ट्र भाषा, which means the national language, official language. Okay, Hindi is the official language now. So it is the important language in this whole India. Okay, it is the official language. Okay, what is given in the first paragraph? हमारा देश का नाम भारत है. Why the name Bharat is called? Because in the olden days Raja Bharat ruled this nation. So Raja Bharat के नाम पर इसका नाम भारत पड़ा. भारत एक विशाल देश है. भारत एक विशाल देश है. Our country is a very big country. इसकी राजधानी दिल्ली है. इसकी राजधानी दिल्ली है. इंडिया का कैपिटल दिल्ली. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. India's capital is New Delhi. यहाँ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, जैन और बौद्ध धर्म के लोग रहते हैं. Here Hindu, Muslim, Sikhism, Christians, Jainism और Buddhism religion people are living. सब प्रांतों की अलग अलग भाषाएं हैं. They all spoke a separate language. हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा माना गया है. Hindi is the official language that they spoke. Okay. So this is the first paragraph and second paragraph. भारत में अनेक तीर्थ स्थल हैं. In our country there is so many punya sthan, so many good devotional places are there. Tirtha sthal means punya sthal, which means devotional places are there. Yes, we have a lot of temples, church, mosque, lot of palace. Yes, we are in our country there is so many tirtha sthal. Tirtha sthal means punya place, punya sthal है. देश की चारों दिशाएं से यहाँ लोग आते हैं. In our country, how much dishayin means direction. How many directions we have? 4 directions. Yes, south, north, east, west. Yes, north, south, east, west. We have 4. Charon means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 4. 4 directions are there. In that 4 directions, peoples are moving. Yes, north peoples came to the southern side. Southern people went to the northern side, and eastern side, western side. So the 4 directions, the peoples are roaming here and there, and they are living in that 4 direction. भारत की उत्तर दिशा मीन्स हिमालय पर्वत है. The northern side, the important mountain is Himalaya. Where is Himalaya mountain situated? Himalaya mountain is situated in Uttar. Uttar means north. Okay, Uttar means north. Dakshin in the sense south. Okay, भारत की उत्तर दिशा में हिमालय पर्वत है. Himalaya means Himalaya, पर्वत in the sense mountain. Himalaya पर्वत है. Okay, what is given in this first and second paragraph? First paragraph, हमारा देश का नाम भारत है. What is the name of our country? India. That is what? Bharat. Why the name Bharat are called? Because the Raja Bharat के नाम पर इसका नाम भारत है. Who ruled India in olden days? The Maharaj Bharat. So the name called Bharat. Okay, Bharat एक विशाल देश का Bharat is a very big country. The capital is Rajasthani means capital. Capital is Delhi. Here Hindu, Muslim, Sikhism, Isai, Jain और बुद्धा ओके धर्म के लोग रहते हैं. These kind of religions we have and we belongs to a different religion. लोग in the sense people belongs to a different religion. सब प्रांतों की अलग अलग भाषाएं. Here separate languages are there. The people spoke a separate language from the different states. हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा माना जाता है. हिंदी इज द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज वी आर फॉलोइंग. भारत के अनेक तीर्थ स्थल हैं. इन आवर कंट्री देयर इज सो मेनी डिवोशनल प्लेसेस आर देयर. देश की चारों दिशाओं से यहाँ लोग आते जाते हैं. इन आवर कंट्री 4 डायरेक्शंस आर देयर. व्हाट इज द 4 डायरेक्शन? नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट. These are the 4 directions where the people roaming here and there. They are living in the southern side. Some people are living in northern side and some of them are living in west and rest of them are living east. So चारों दिशाओं में लोग रहते हैं. भारत की उत्तर दिशा में हिमालय पर्वत हैं. In India, the northern side, which is situated, mountain, Himalaya mountain is situated. And next, भारतवासी देशभक्त और वीर हैं. भारतवासी means what? भारतवासी in the sense the people living in India. We are भारतवासी. Okay, we are Indians. So that is भारतवासी. देशभक्त और वीर हैं. We all have a देशभक्त. देशभक्त in the sense, you know, soldiers, they are deshabhakta, which means they fight against other country to protect our country. That is what deshabhakta. Okay, we all have a good love in our country. We all love our country. That is what deshabhakta. Our veer, and we all brave also. Deshabhakta in the sense, or deshabhakta, we love our country. वीर मीन्स वी ऑल हैव अ ब्रेव. यहाँ अनेक पुरुषों ने जन्म लिया. महापुरुषों मीन्स द फेमस लीडर्स. ओके, फेमस किंग्स आर born in our country. Okay, राम, कृष्णा, गांधी जी और गौतम बुद्ध जैसे महान लोगों ने जन्म लिया था. Who are the महापुरुषों? भगवान राम, भगवान श्री कृष्ण, गांधी जी, the father of a nation, महात्मा गांधी जी, और गौतम बुद्ध. So they are the महापुरुषों, famous kings and famous leaders. महान लोगों ने जन्म लिया है. They are born in our country. जन्म means born in our country. Who are the famous king? महापुरुषों राम, कृष्ण, गांधी जी और गौतम बुद्ध. Okay, they are the good leaders and good king and God live in our country. Okay, भारतवासी देशभक्त और वीर हैं. We are Indians. We all love our country and we all have a braveness. यहाँ अनेक महापुरुषों ने जन्म लिया है. So many महापुरुषों, famous people all live in our country. They are Ram, Krishna, Gandhi ji और गौतम बुद्ध. They are the महापुरुषों lived in our country, born in our country. Here, शिक्षा और कलाओं ने पहले इसी देश में जन्म लिया है. So शिक्षा means education. Kala means art, drawing, music, and some sports like silambam, These are the famous sports and famous arts. पहले इसी देश में जन्म लिया है. First, this all education and this Shiksha was born in our country. So we proud to be Indians, because see, the Shiksha and Kala or education and art is all born in our country only. Okay, यहाँ वेद पुराणों की रचना हुई. Not only education and arts, Ved, Puranon. Ved means Rigved, Yajurved, Vedangal. In Tamil they say it as Vedangal. Okay, Puranon. Puranon means Ramayana, Mahabharata. These are the Puran ki rachna hui. This is also published in India only. Okay, Ved, Puranon. These all Vedangal, Puranangal are published in our country. Okay, Shiksha means education, Kalaon means art. Education and art was born in our country, as well as Vedangal, Puranangal. Ved, Puranon. So Vedangal, Puranangal is also published in our country only. Okay, India. So this is Hamara Desh. Hamara Desh means our country. Which is our country? India. India, the another name in Hindi is Bharat. Why the name is called as Bharat? Because the olden days Maharaj Bharat was ruled this country. So it is called as Bharat. And this Bharat is a very big country. So many religion peoples are living in this country. Our capital is New Delhi. India's capital is New Delhi. So many religious peoples are living in this country. Hindu, Muslim, Sikhism, Christians, Jainism and Buddha Dharma, Buddhism. Okay, peoples are living. Here separate languages are spoke by the people, and Hindi is the official language, Rashtra Bhasha, official language we are following. Bharat में अनेक तीर्थ स्थल है. We have so many devotee place, and we have 4 direction peoples, north, south, east and west. Peoples are roaming here and there. The Uttar direction, Himalaya Parvata, Himalaya mountain is there, and Indians all love their country. Desha Bhakti, love their country. And they are brave peoples. Here so many Mahapurushas in the sense, so many good peoples are there. They are called as name called as Ram, Krishna, Mahatma Gandhiji and Gautama Buddha. They are Mahapurushas born in our country. And Shiksha or Kala, education and arts are born in this country, as well as Ved and Purana are also published in our country only. Okay, so I read this lesson. Listen carefully. See your book also. हमारा देश का नाम भारत है. राजा भरत के नाम पर इसका नाम भारत पड़ा. भारत एक विशाल देश है. इसकी राजधानी दिल्ली है. यहाँ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, जैन और बौद्ध धर्म के लोग रहता है. सब प्रांतों की अलग अलग भाषाएं हैं. हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा माना गया है. भारत में अनेक तीर्थ स्थल है. देश की चारों दिशाओं से यहाँ लोग आते जाते हैं. भारत की उत्तर दिशा में हिमालय पर्वत है। भारतवासी देशभक्त और वीर है। यहाँ अनेक महापुरुषों ने जन्म लिया है। राम, कृष्ण, गांधी जी और गौतम बुद्ध जैसे महान लोगों ने जन्म लिया है। शिक्षा और कलाओं ने पहले इसी देश में जन्म लिए हैं। यहाँ वेद पुराणों की रचना हुई। ओके, दिस इज द लेसन हमारा देश। ओके, so हमारा देश means our country. What are the things you learn in our country? You learn the name of the country is Bharat. Why the name called as Bharat? Because olden days the Maharaj Bharat was ruling in this country, so it is called as Bharat. Bharat is a very big country. Bharat ka capital Rajasthani capital, okay, Delhi, New Delhi. Here Hindu, Muslim, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christian peoples are living. They are spoke a different kind of languages from the different states, okay. And Hindi is official language we are following. Bharat ne anek tirth sthal hai. We have so many devotional places. We have four direction peoples living in our country: northern side, southern side, eastern side and western side. उत्तर में हिमालय पर्वत है. Northern side Himalaya mountain is there. As we all Indians, we all have a Deshabhakti our veer. Okay, we are very brave people and we all love our country. And here so many devotional, so many Mahapurushas are born. Mahapurusha in the sense leader, Raja, God, everything. Okay, so Mahapurushas, they are living, named called as Ram, Krishna, Gandhiji and Gautama Buddha. These are the Mahapurushas lived in our country. And Siksha or Kala or education and arts all live in our country. The first this Siksha and Kala was enabled by Indians. Okay. And so many Veda, Purana, Mahabharata, Ramayana and so many Purana are published in our country only. Okay, this is your lesson Hamara Desh. Okay, that's all. Your lesson gets completed. Next week we will see the one words and question answers, everything. And this week assessment I gave questions in Vinati. Already we learned Vinati clearly. Again we go through this Vinati only. So this week assessment I will give the questions from Vinati. So once again you learn all the question answers from the first lesson Vinati. Okay. Dhanyavad.